this baby. Waypoint. Done. Carry the pack. Hey.
It seems cross-country skiers are the most prissy of the sportsmen.
Oh yeah.
They don't even say hi. They're just like, don't walk on the pathway there, eh?
You know my skis are worth more than your friggin' packs.
Be not afraid, little baby. Come get some nuts. It's worth the frostbite. Ottawa. Oh, you're not a chickadee. What are you?
Oh, that's a nuthatch.
Oh, nuthatch.
That's pretty cool.
They flew this a lot.
Oh, it's nice up here, eh?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Gift certificate for decathlon about 2 years ago.
Nice.
And I just went
Hello.
Perfect spot.
That's beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's like a winter wonderland.
It's actually nuts because sometimes you like can't stop.
Yeah.
And it's like,
If you stop, you're gonna bust a knee, just like
yeah.
just on the sheer gravity of it.
And that one was treacherous. It's just like rocks and like.
We made it back. 8 kilometers. Easy peasy. All running, no walking. I'm so sweaty, so steamy. Gotta dress down here. The boys, Gatineau Park Trail vlog with the men. Gang. Ooh. On the days I did camp, there's onsens, which are the bathhouses there. They only cost like $5 to go in, and they have like a sauna, steam room, a bunch of hot tubs, yeah.